Introduction to CSS and Selectors. CSS Cascading Style Sheets is a language used for styling and designing web pages. Selectors in CSS are crucial for selecting and manipulating HTML elements. Types of CSS selectors. Element selector selects HTML elements based on the element name. ID selector selects an element based on its unique ID denoted with the hash symbol HAP. Class selector selects elements based on the class attribute denoted by the period symbol. Their CSS selectors. Grouping selector allows selection and styling of multiple HTML elements at once. Descendant selector selects elements that are descendants of a specified element. Child selector selects elements that are direct children of a specific element. Avoiding common errors. Ensure correct selector syntax. Don't forget to include the tag for ID selectors or the for class selectors. Be mindful of specificity. In CSS, if multiple selectors are targeting the same element, the one with the highest specificity will take precedence. Avoid overuse of ID selectors as they are very specific, which can lead to styling issues. Best practices. Use descriptive names for creating classes and IDs to make your code easier to read and maintain. Group similar styles together using a comma-separated list of selectors for efficiency and less repetition. Comment your code to explain what certain styles or selectors are for, making it easier to understand.